Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a system and we have a temperature decreasing by 50 degrees Fahrenheit during a cooling process. What is the temperature change in Kelvin, Rankine, and Celsius? Since it is a change in temperature, it will remain the same for Rankine from degrees Fahrenheit, as you can see right here. So it becomes 50 Rankine, and then we need to convert this into Celsius and Kelvin. So in order to do that, we have 50 Rankine divided by 1.8. That will be 27.78 Kelvin, which is the same as 27.78 degrees Celsius. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or the channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool, and if you're on PC, use the snipping tool. If you've never used it before, follow the instructions below. So click on the icon snipping tool. If it's not in your taskbar, then you can search it using Windows search. Type in snipping tool, and then click on the video option, then click on new. Then left click, drag the rectangle and cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown. Then hit the replay button, wait for the video to finish. Then hit the red square to stop recording, and then save your video. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends. This is a made up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you have questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.